In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to shorten a Google Forms link in just 5 minutes. We'll guide you through the process of making your links more manageable and easy to share. To get started, you'll want to navigate over to Google Drive. Google Drive is your main hub for all things related to your forms, documents, and sheets. Once you're on your Google Drive homepage, you'll see several tabs and icons. Look for the one labeled Apps. Clicking on Apps will open a drop-down menu, and from there you'll want to select Forms. This is where all your Google Forms are located, whether you're creating a new one or editing an existing form. Now let's select the form you want to work with. This could be a form you've recently worked on or one stored further down your list. Once you've found the right one, click to open it. Before doing anything else, ensure your form is published if it isn't already. This step is crucial because only published forms can generate a link that can be shortened. So, locate the Publish button. This is usually found in the top right corner, and make sure to click it. Once your form is published, you can share it. To get the link that you'll eventually shorten, look for the link icon. It's usually represented as a small chain or link symbol next to a sharing option or menu. After clicking on the link icon, a new window or dialog box displays the link to your form. At this point, you'll see the option to shorten URL. The shorten URL checkbox is straightforward. Simply click on it to make your link more concise. Shortening links is valuable not only for aesthetics, but also for easy distribution across emails, social media, or direct messages. Once you've shortened the URL, the final step is to copy it. You'll see a copy button right there in the link box. Clicking copy automatically places the shortened URL onto your clipboard, ready for you to paste wherever you need it. This convenient feature not only saves time, but also ensures you get the exact link without errors. And that's it. You've efficiently shortened your Google Form link without hassle. Utilizing this method not only makes your links user-friendly, but also keeps your form sharing experience professional and organized. Remember, practice makes perfect, so feel free to go through these steps with a few forms to get the hang of it. Thanks for watching and happy form sharing.